What up, people? Let's make a golden hot whole bird. Let's get it. All right, we got ourselves a pasture bird whole chicken. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of avocado oil. Work that all the way around. Then the chicken seasoning of your choice. Hit it with a good amount of that. All the nooks and crannies. Got ourselves a little 2-zone fire, letting the coals get grayed over, and we'll put our bird right there. Cast iron skillet, little buffalo wing sauce. Also some local honey. Give that a little stir. All right, now we're gonna take that golden hot sauce. We're just gonna drizzle that honey hot all over the chicken. All over the bird. That's gonna make for a pretty bird, man. Boom, look at that right there. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Golden hot whole bird. Honey hot yard bird, whatever you wanna call it. This thing is glistening. Can't wait to eat it.